揽雀尾，鹏，履，己，按，Today, we are going to learn the movement of 揽雀尾. In this movement, we have 鹏, 履, 己, and 按, 4 applications. I will share the basic movements in this session, and the application of 鹏履己按, I will do it later in our online Zoom classes.
This movement, we will do it with 10 countings, but let's learn the counting 1 to 4 first. Follow me, please. Ready? 1. Slightly turn your body to the right. 2. As if holding a ball with right hand on top. 3. Move both hands closer. 4. Gradually turn your body. Rest your left hand in front of your right chest, with palm turning inward. One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's learn counting 5 to counting 10. Be ready with the position of counting 4. Begin. 5. Slightly turn your body to the left. 6. Turn your body to the right and swing both arms to the right. 7. Still keep the weight on your right leg. 8. Press both hands slowly forward. 9. Extend both arms and slowly sit back with the toes of the left foot turned up. 10. Slowly pushing both hands forward. Let's repeat from counting 5. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's practice the whole movement. Counting 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time, just follow me please, without counting. Ready. Begin.
I will give a free introductory class on the 12th of April. Welcome to join me.